Hello, hello, hello. Hello, bhai. What's up? Good afternoon. Be waiting for a few more to join in, and then we'll start. But this was the trade I took yesterday. I haven't updated because I was just down now. Let's see what next. My intentions and bias is more of. Just give me a. Oops. कॉफ कोल्ड तो है बट ठीक है नॉट दैट बैड हेडेक नहीं है मेन मतलब लाइक सर दुखता है तो मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ आता सो इफ़ वी सी ऑन डेली टाइम फ्रेम we bounced off from this demand area but I think that's a weak low. Another thing that has happened is daily mein we are within this premium area of this bearish leg. 4H mein we have swept some internal range liquidity which is this high ka liquidity. If we go to 1H it would be even clearer. We have taken out this high, the supply has been taken out. So हेलो काम में हो भाई काम ही तो करना है भाई और क्या करेगा मिलता हूँ भाई 3 बजे करता हूँ मैं कॉल 3 बजे कॉल करता हूँ अभी स्ट्रीम पे हूँ चल सो इन यूरो यूएसडी आई होप माई वॉइस एंड एवरीथिंग इज गुड हेलो Yeah, now I'm pretty sure it should be good. Let's see. Now I'm pretty sure it should be good. Okay, perfect. So now we have swept liquidity. We have swept internal range liquidity and we are currently reacting off a supply. I would really like to see and really like to bet on shots from here. Because I see intentions that it's gonna push down lower. I am not really entered, like I have not really entered yet, but after this low gets taken out, would love to see. If you have risk appetite, you can risk like maybe half or more than 0.5% over here. By keeping maybe this as a stop loss, maybe around 15 pips should be good. But 20 pips रखना है तो वो भी रख सकते हो and targeting these lows. Or if you want to keep a conservative approach, 1:2.5, 1:2 is what you can definitely get. But this low is supposed to be taken out, so that way, yes. But this would be a more of a riskier entry. Okay? Because you are trying to predict reversals. It's very logical. I am still seeing this low as a weak low and this low to not really hold. So that way, it's definitely logical. We do have some nice available liquidity here that is supposed to be taken out very beautifully from equal lows. So I would definitely suggest you to enter shots and risk 1% if you want, man. Like, this is a good trade, so you can definitely enter. I have entered just right now. This is a riskier entry. Again, I'm telling. But it's the logical one. I'm risking 1% on this trade. Yeah, that's solid, man. But this is a good entry. You can execute because इसके ऊपर सारी चीजें liquidity है. If this goes, I don't really see a reason for the price to hold. मैंने थोड़ा बड़ा रूम दे रखा है. I have given almost like 20-23 pips के आसपास का stop loss. So let's see. भाई कल US 100 में क्या ट्रेड था? I was observing and I was not on a platform. I was observing on my phone, so I just missed it. But it was such a great trade. US 100 में longs. I anticipated those longs from this area itself after the liquidity hunt happened. हो जा भाई load from this area itself. The late entry would have been here. Like it was a great one. I was aware that this high is supposed to go. It was a beautiful entry, but I missed because I was not on the device. But ठीक है, अभी वाली यूरो में मेरे को ठीक ठाक सा कन्विक्शन है, so I'm just like continuing to hold. Let's see. This area is good. So only the problem here is we have not really waited for enough confirmation. That can only be the problem. Rest everything is in our favor. थोड़ा और confirmation के लिए wait करते तो, और वैसे भी like 1% I have risk, so it's fine. I've given enough room, so let's see. अगर ये फेल होता है तो मे बी यहाँ कहीं से मैं कंफर्मेशन का वेट करके फिर शॉर्ट करूँगा, वरना फिर आई विल जस्ट अलाउ इट टू मूव. I would not really enter. Actually, this area is also not that great, but I think something within this would be great. So let's see. But अगर वो उतना ऊपर जाता है तो there is no reason for the price to not take out this, and eventually prices would actually move up higher. It would just continue to push up then. But the way it's forming, I think the low is supposed to go. It's very messy and choppy, but yeah, my intention says that low it's supposed to go, so I'd be betting on that. Let's see how it goes. Gold looks like it's gonna move up. हेलो भाई, बस बढ़िया. हेलो. Am I not audible? Should be. Yeah, I am. Yeah, sure, bhai. Gold, I am वैसे तो bullish. Uh, I would like to see gold, maybe something like it is reacting from a decent area. Let's actually do a higher time frame analysis first. Uh, भाई गोल्ड ने लिक्विडिटी हंट करी, डिमांड में टैप किया, और जब प्राइसेस यहाँ पे थी, when it was consolidating and sellers were trying to hold, then I expected that this and this can be taken out. But then we start seeing buyers coming in, and buyers push the price higher. So when that happened, now my bias is more inclined towards buying. I would have loved to see prices coming within this area, but वो हुआ नहीं. So it just swept this liquidity and it just continued to push up. तो यहाँ से अगर मुझे कहीं से लॉन्ग्स लेना है तो आई वुड लव टू सी इट इज ऑलरेडी रिएक्टिंग ऑफ अ डिसेंट एरिया, सो आई लाइक आई वुड स्टिल सी अगर यहाँ कहीं आए तो दैट वुड बी ग्रेट, बिकॉज दिस इज अ मच डिस्काउंटेड एरिया इन 1 hour or in 4 hour, actually 3 hour, 2 hours. Yeah, this looks good. So let's see if prices can come within this. Would actually plan something, but most likely gold यही से भाग सकता है. तो अगर 1 minute के इसमें आपको स्कैल्प वैल्प करना है, so you can think of entering in longs from here, but it's weird why it's not working. Yeah. So currently it's reacting from a decent area, as I said, right? It has swept this liquidity, it is reacting of this. So there's a very fair chance now it will go towards these equal highs that it has printed. And nextly, I'm also thinking that it's quite possible that price can take out this and the all-time high as well. So that way, I am quite bullish on gold. But the area where it is right now, I would not really be super interested to enter here. It has swept liquidity, so that is another reason why I think it has a very good potential of holding. But I'm not really interested in investing in this. Once I see something within this area, I would be inclined towards entering. Around this now, it's quite possible. Quite, yeah, it's possible only. That area would actually be liquidated in nearer future. Basically, the way the area is holding. See, this was the unmitigated range of supply that was never tested, right? And what happened here? Prices reacted of it, but the initial reaction got taken out. The next reaction also got taken out. So it shows that buyers are slightly more aggressive, but my first target would definitely not be that level. Instead, that would be this black line, which is a recent high ke upar wala. So even if you're planning to enter, I would definitely suggest it should not be like बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर, but just this. Or if you want to enter, you can just enter right now, keeping this as your stop loss, and this would be a target. You can enter now. This would be a good one as to 2.5 risk reward trade. Just try to cover this low, because we are coming from the area of liquidation. We are coming from unmitigated demand mitigation. So you can definitely consider entering longs here. So yeah, longs ले सकते हो भाइयों. बट अगर थोड़ा नीचे आता है तो चंगा सीन रहेगा. If something within this it shows up, beautiful. If not, the current area is also good, as I said. So it's up to you if you want to enter or no. But maybe एक entry ले ही लेता हूँ. I've entered, boys. भाई यूरो भी अपना काम मस्त चालू कर दिया. मौजा ही मौजा. यूरो में कितने लोगों ने एंटर किया है? I have bigger position in euro, like because 1% risk. Here I am hardly risking 0.5 के आसपास. I'm uh Dave, you can enter now also. Like it's not a bad area. Just give लाइक रिस्क रिवॉर्ड कम मिलेगा बस, और क्या होगा. Like just manage your risk and you should be good. Enter. It's a good one. I have entered in both. अभी तो अपना काम यही है कि बस होल्ड किए रखो, और क्या. भाई इधर हार्ड टीपी मैंने प्लेस कर दिया है अराउंड दिस एरिया. यू ऑल्सो प्लेस अ हार्ड टीपी. एंड नेक्स्ट लाइक, Dave, have you entered? Oh fuck, what's wrong? Hello. Okay. Dave, have you entered? Dave, have you? Okay, बढ़िया. सही है फारस भाई. मोटा पैसा. एसएल क्या है भाई यूरो का? भाई यहाँ पे है 6077। तो मैंने वो रखा है, तुम चाहो तो रेट पे रखते हो, और मैं अभी थोड़े टाइम बाद जब ये ब्रेक हो मैं ट्रेल कर दूंगा ये हाई पे. I want this low to be taken out for me to trail my SL to this, and the plan is to hold this trade for like long मतलब ज़्यादा time के लिए. I'm seeing this low to be taken out, so let's see. I'll be right back. Okay, continue to hold your trades. I'm around only. See you in 2 minutes. हेलो हेलो, व्हाट्स अप ऋषभ? हाय। भाई दोनों ट्रेड चुम्मा चलेंगे। होल्ड, होल्ड किए रखो भाई। It will take out these lows and eventually this low, so continue to hold। और तुम क्या ही कर सकते हो, होल्ड तो करना पड़ेगा। मेरे को लग रहा है ये अभी हाई ब्रेक हो सकता है, वापस ब्रेक इवन लेवल पे आके फिर ये ड्रॉप देगा। So you can just continue to hold because the order flow is sort of established. You don't really have to worry about if it's gonna reverse or no. Because of course, firstly the risk is managed. Nextly सही ट्रेड है भैंचो, क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है। चलने दो हाय, मजा आने दो। बिग फैन भाई, बिग फैन। हाँ, ट्रेल तो कर ही सकते हो, अभी ब्रेक इवन पे ला सकते हो गोल्ड। भाई दोनों पोजीशन चुम्मा चल रही है, दोनों पोजीशन होल्ड करो। बिकॉज दिस लो इज सपोज टू बी टेकन, सॉरी दिस हाई नॉट द लो, लो इसमें और हाई इसमें सपोज टू बी टेकन आउट। थोड़ा रिट्रेस कर सकता है, ठीक है। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर इन बोथ? निसंग। Hello. 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 I hope now I'm audible. Guys, if you don't mind, ये टीपी जब हिट होगा, can you please share your PNL का screenshot so I can update it on group and more people can actually join the stream? Because we need watch hours. I have completed 2000 watch hours so far. I need to update like full length videos as well. But like if you don't mind, can you please share your PNL screenshot to me? Once we close our trade, of course. But if you can do it, that would be such a great help. So that like we can actually make more and more people excited about them joining us on the stream. So I would really request you if you can do it. मैं अपने बंदों के लिए अच्छा 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 शांत शांत भाई मैं यहाँ पे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप नहीं व्हाट्सएप की लिंक डाला हूँ जिससे आप मुझे डायरेक्ट मैसेज कर सकते हो। वहाँ पे नंबर भी दिख रहा होगा +91, तो आप मुझे डायरेक्ट मैसेज कर सकते हो। या तो मैं यहाँ पे ये वाले नंबर पे आप मुझे मैसेज कर सकते हो। मेरा ही नंबर है ना। और याद नहीं मुझे बस मेरा ही नंबर है। ऑल्सो आई एम थिंकिंग कि थोड़ी सी पोजीशन निकाल लेते हैं एट दिस मोमेंट। आई गॉट प्रॉफ फ्रॉम फेस टू, what should I risk per trade? Is not on a 5% at the moment. You concept high risk clear quickly. If you have money, you can do that. Vivash. You can do that, but the more logical and uh, the best approach would be not the best actually. Best case scenario depends on how much money you have. But a decent approach would be risking 1%, creating a buffer of 2%, 3%, and then risking 2% and clearing your account. That is more of a logical approach. But if you have money to spend, then you can go for an aggressive approach, risking 2% directly, and just be aggressive and clear the phases with me. But yeah, now I have decided we will keep only two standard things, either 0.5% risk or 1% risk. Not really in between 0.3. So जरूरत नहीं है भाई, या तो हाफ या तो वन, बीच का कुछ नहीं करेंगे अपन। बीच का वैसे भी चुतियापा ही होता है। इफ वी आर प्लानिंग टू रिस्क 0.3, भाई वो ट्रेड ही नहीं लेंगे अपन। अच्छा एक काम करना, अभी almost at around 1:2 you can take your partials at this level. See, from here it will just continue to push up, but यहाँ से थोड़ा retracement आ सकता है, and then it will just continue to push up. So अगर ये continue to push up करता है या तो ये लो break करता है, तो फिर तभी एक्ट करके मतलब नहीं है, बिकॉज यू आर ऑलरेडी हियर, वाई टू बुक लेस। अभी मैंने किया नहीं है, लाइक आई हैव बुक समथिंग, नॉट रियली मच, बट if it continue to push up, I'll book my entire position here. और गोल्ड में, सॉरी यूरो में जैसे बोला था, इट कैन कम विद इन दिस एरिया, सो विल सी। Okay, fine, book your like, if major, if you want, book, but like at least book more than half of your position here. I've booked my some major positions. It was 80% off. And if you have booked your all positions, या तो ऑल पोजीशन बुक किया है तो ही स्क्रीनशॉट भेजना, अगर रनिंग है तो लेट इट हिट दिस एंड देन यू सेंड मी द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ योर ट्रेड, बट एटलीस्ट टेक सम मेजर पोजीशंस ऑफ, आई वुड से इज दिस एट द मोमेंट, बाकी देखते हैं। I mean, that would not be a problem, but if we can just filter to today and can send today's, मतलब जो आज वाले ट्रेड अपन ने अपडेट किए हैं, तो सही रहेगा। बाकी तो लॉसेस भी डाल देंगे, क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है भाई, बट वो आज वाला अगर करे, सो यू नो, मोर एंड मोर पीपल, भाई जब पैसा दिखता है कि लोग आएंगे, तो करते हैं। गोल्ड में 4211, भाई 4211। हाँ ये भी लिक्विडिटी है, यू कैन टारगेट दिस एज वेल, बट I am being conservative, bro. I don't want to hold for that much. I already booked major, and maybe for the rest I can hold, but major TP is around this area only.
Okay, let's talk about the danger factor. Let's say you become good. Let's say you become familiar. बात कर रही हूँ।
भाई अगर बाकी लोग भी मान ले और आप भी फ्री हो, कैन वी स्टार्ट लाइक अ सीरीज और एक साथ फंडेड अकाउंट कर सकते हैं, वी कैन क्लियर इट टुगेदर ऑन लाइफ। श्योर। गेट एपेक्स के अकाउंट, लेट्स डू इट। Why is everyone switching to futures? It's nothing like everyone is switching to futures, but yeah, it's good. You can also. अच्छा एक काम करो, सब लोग एपेक्स के अकाउंट लो। सी आई ऑलरेडी हैव वन पास्ट। अभी इनका ऑफर चल रहा है, तो आपको पीए जो लाइक मतलब वो अकाउंट मिलेगा, वो $40 का मिलेगा। और 40 + 37 कितना होता है? ऑफ कोर्स 78 के आसपास। लेकिन आपको 100K का अकाउंट है ना, आपको मिलेगा $67 में कंप्लीट। तो आप अगर 100K का लेना चाहते हो तो 100K का ले लो, लेकिन द प्रॉब्लम इज द टाइम इज, रुको मैं आपको कुछ भेजता हूँ। जीमेल Apex. Black Friday sale is going on, and it will end on 2nd December. So you have like 4 fucking days to pass. But there are two things which we can do, okay? Option, copy, WhatsApp, chat. अगर ये आप देखते हो तो यहाँ पे अपन को जो 100K का अकाउंट है ना, वो बस $69 का मिलेगा. बट द थिंग इज योर इवैल्यूएशन जो रहेगा वो उसके लिए आपको $60 देने पड़ेंगे, और जो एक्टिवेशन फीस है पीए का वो $10 है. सो इट कम्स टू $70. उसके बाद में अगर आप 50K का लेते हो तो 50K में 80% ऑफ है, तो उसका इवैल फीस कुछ $40 के आसपास रहेगा, और उसकी एक्टिवेशन फीस रहेगी $40. सो इट वुड बी रफली अराउंड $80. सो दिस इज चीपर, बट हियर द प्रॉब्लम इज there are time constraints. So before 2nd December you have to pass your evaluation, यानी आपको ट्रेड लेके पास करना पड़ेगा, वरना आपको ये जो फीस है ये कुछ 89 या $90 देनी पड़ेगी. सो और इसका जो रिस्क मतलब जो ये ड्रॉडाउन, जो मैक्सिमम ड्रॉडाउन है दैट इज लाइक $3,000 एंड द टारगेट इज $6,000. So it's not really that of a logical because 50K में the loss limit is 2,500 and the target is $3,000. So that is quite easy. But अगर एक्चुअली मेरे हिसाब से $80 लगा के लो 50K का इवैल, दैट वुड बी मच बेटर. एंड अगर आपको 100K का लेना है यू कैन डू दैट टू. लेकिन what we'll do is we will try to pass the eval in just one trade. या तो hedge कर सकते हैं, 2 अकाउंट लो eval के जिसमें आपको $120 इन्वेस्ट करने पड़ेंगे. You buy in one account, sell in one account and pass it quickly and just pay the जो भी अकाउंट पास होगा उसमें pay the इसकी फीस, activation fees, and your account would be ready. Very beautiful. भाई ये ट्रेड होल्ड करे रखो, ठीक है भाई. तो ले रहे हो तो अभी ले लो. एपेक्स का लेना है, एपेक्स ट्रेडर फंडिंग, दिस थिंग ओवर हियर, एपेक्स ट्रेडर फंडिंग, इसका अकाउंट ले लो. एंड द ऑफर इज गोइंग ऑन. यू विल गेट द इवैल्यूएशन फॉर ट्रेड, ये ट्रेडोवेट प्लेटफॉर्म का लेना. जैसे यहाँ पे वेल चार्ट है, रिदमिक है, जस्ट गो एंड ओपन ट्रेडोवेट, और ट्रेडोवेट का 50K का ये लेना. वंस यू क्लिक दिस, अभी मुझे लॉगिन मांगेगा क्या? हाँ, जो कि मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ. आपका नया अकाउंट है तो यू जस्ट फिल ऑल ऑफ दीज डिटेल्स. आई विल डू लॉगिन एंड या जस्ट गेट योर सेल्फ अकाउंट. मेक श्योर आपका जो जिस कार्ड से पेमेंट कर रहे हो उसका इंटरनेशनल ट्रांजेक्शन चालू है. श्योर भाई, दे लाइक आप मुझे वापस पूछो, वी विल. कंसिस्टेंसी रूल इवाल में नहीं है. इवाल में यू कैन जस्ट पास द अकाउंट इन जस्ट वन ट्रेड, बट यू हैव कंसिस्टेंसी रूल फॉर योर पी अकाउंट. सो पी अकाउंट के लिए 35% कंसिस्टेंसी रूल है, इट इज़ नॉट बैड. और जैसे मैंने बोला कि प्राइजेस यहाँ पे थोड़ा नीचे आ सकती है, इसीलिए अपन ने इधर, आप लोगों ने भी किया राइट पार्शियल बुक. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव बुक द पार्शियल्स? right here when I discussed. ये क्या बकचोद है भाई, ये क्या नेट है? नेट नहीं है, ट्रेडिंग व्यू का प्रॉब्लम है. If you have booked your partials, बाकी तो ब्रेक इवन कर दो पोजीशन एंड रेस्ट अलाउ इट टू रन. एंड अगर आपने पूरा बुक किया है, देव, you can just like send me the screenshot of your PNL, and those people who have booked, please share your screenshot of your PNLs. विवाश भाई, थोड़ा बड़ा स्क्रीनशॉट भेजते भाई. Oh fish, look at this solid reaction, man. Solid reaction. As we expected from here, it will again push up higher. मेरा मन था लेने का, लेकिन बहुत जोरदार रिजेक्शन आया था. I'm not in. I would have loved to enter here again till this as a target, but yeah. Rest, set your TP, set your बाकी लोग, पारस एंड और भी जिन जिन लोगों ने लिया है, प्लीज जस्ट सेंड द स्क्रीनशॉट. लेड़ा आकाश भाई. भाई ये यूरो वाला ट्रेड जस्ट कंटिन्यू टू होल्ड. SL keep it here itself and rest here, trail your stop loss to break even, so even if it pushed down lower to this area you're not really bothered much. Just trail your stop loss to break even. It's futures firm Apex, we can plan to do that together. और अभी भी चांसेस है वापस एक बार ब्रेक इवन पे आए और फिर नीचे गिरे, so you don't need to panic. You're all good. And yeah, I'll be just calling it a day because we have booked our major position, so it's fine. Here in euro I am holding all. I'm holding my entire 1% risk with this as my stop loss because I do have this intention of it pushing down lower at least to these levels and me securing close to 1:3 of this trade. So I'm holding this trade for these targets and I have a decent enough stop loss and I do have conviction that it will hold. So yeah, you to continue to hold your trades. And yeah, that was about it. I'll be seeing you all in the evening session. Till then, bye bye, take care, and just manage your positions properly. Don't over risk, don't over trade. Just trail your stop loss and let it go. It will push up higher. I'm still telling you, it will take out these highs for sure. So if you are in position like जो भी चिंटू मिंटू position है, ब्रेक इवन पे डाल दे, छोड़ दो भाई, ये जाएगा ऊपर. आई एम टेलिंग यू, पक्का जाएगा. ठीक है. सो या, दैट वाज अबाउट इट. और नहीं भी गया तो क्या, अपने पैसे तो बुक कर लिए भाई. लाइक ओवर 80% आई बुक्ड and I ask you to do the same at exactly around this area because we were aware that something like this can possibly happen and we don't really want to see jo bhi bana hai, like it goes down to down by 70%. It's almost down by 70%. So we have booked our major positions at this area at 1:2. Great, right? And next, stop loss to break even. We are not losing anything. It's profit only. Euro mein continue to hold. It's a great trade. I do have conviction in this. Don't over risk, don't over leverage, and yeah, rest, continue to hold. So yeah, that was about it. I'll be seeing you all in the evening. Till then, bye bye, take care, and have a great day ahead. See you, boys and girls. Bye.